Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rafly Rizkyaldi. I will tell you how to make sweet tea. So let's go. To make sweet tea with the following ingredient and stool: teaspoon, cup, tea bag, hot water, sugar. Step by step. First, add some hot water in a cup.
Okay.
Then, put the sea bag into the hot water. Wait until the water turns brown. Put some sugar based on how you like it. Mix the tea until the sugar is halved. Okay. Ta-da! Bye.